Want to make subtitles more readable or adjust them to your preference? YouTube TV allows you to customize subtitle appearance for a better viewing experience. In this guide, we'll show you how to modify the font, size, color, and more. Step 1. Open YouTube TV settings. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Keycap 2. Select your profile icon in the top right corner. Keycap 3. Scroll down and choose Settings from the menu. Step 2. Access Subtitle Settings. Keycap 1 in the Settings menu. Scroll to Subtitles. Keycap 2. Toggle subtitles on to enable them during playback. Step 3. Customize subtitle appearance. Font style. Choose from different font styles to make them easier to read. Font size. Adjust the size of the subtitles to your preference, small, medium, or large. Font color. Pick a color for the text to ensure it stands out against the background. Background color and amp. Opacity. Select the background color for the subtitles and adjust the opacity for better contrast. Text opacity. Modify the opacity of the text itself for better visibility depending on your preferences. Step 4. Save your changes. After customizing the settings, ensure your changes are saved. You can preview the changes by watching a video with subtitles enabled. Bonus tip. For the best experience, choose a high-contrast combination for the text and background, especially if you're watching in a dim room. Customize your YouTube TV subtitles for a more personalized viewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.